This project has literally taken 2 years now, and that's just because I keep abandoning it, walking away, coming back. I'm finishing it today, I hope. Still got a little bit more cleaning up to do on the accent. All right, so. Now to do that side. This is so much smoother. Oh, that's as polished as I think we're getting it. I don't want to go too much more than that. It's a lot of pitting and some nicks and stuff like that. But this acts as character, and I don't want to get rid of a lot of that. So, now we're going to go and chur the handle, and then put some oil on it while it's still warm.